The problem states that there is a circular park with center O of radius 20 meter. Three boys named Ankur, denoted by point A, Syed by point S, and David by point D, are sitting at equal distance on the boundary. Each boy holds a toy telephone in their hands. We need to calculate the length of the string of each phone, that is, length of any one side of equilateral triangle ASD. As boys are standing at equal distance from each other, segments AS, AD and SD are equal and assumed to be X. To find one of the side of the triangle ASD, construction of a right angle triangle is done by drawing perpendicular from point A to the segment SD. Join point S to point O, resulting in the formation of right angle triangle OPS. By using theorem, that is, any line perpendicular to the chord from the center bisects the chord. As a result, both the segments SP and segment PD becomes half of X. Now in triangle OPS, by using Pythagoras theorem, we get square of OS is equal to sum of square of OP and square of SP. On substituting the corresponding values of OS, OP and SP, above equation becomes square of R is equal to sum of square of OP and square of X by 2. On transposing this equation for segment OP, we get square of OP is equal to square of 20 minus square of X by 2. On simplifying, we get square of OP equals 400 minus square of X by 2, which is further simplified as OP equals 400 minus square of X by 2 whole under the root. Since centroid of equilateral triangle circumscribing a circle lies at the center of circle and divides median in the ratio 2:1. Thus ratio of segment AO and segment OP is equal to 2 by 1. As segment AO is the radius and equals 20 meter, therefore on simplifying this ratio we get 10 equals segment OP. As OP equals 400 minus square of X by 2 whole under the root, squaring both sides is done to remove the root of 400 minus square of X by 2. This equation further becomes 100 equals 400 minus square of X by 2. On simplifying constant terms by transposing, we get square of X by 2 equals 300, which is simplified as X by 2 equals root of 300. As root of 300 equals 10 root of 3, therefore X by 2 equals 10 root of 3. Solving for X, we get X equals 20 root of 3. Therefore the distance between the boys is 20 root of 3 meters.